This is Coron Lagoon. It's the second of the swim. The first one is the river dock, and this is where you swim. So interesting is my hand above the water is cold, and if I put it below the water, it's warm. Because above the water is fresh water, and below the water over here is seawater. So it's warm. It's a strange feeling actually when you're swimming, because you're swimming, your hand is above the water, it's cold. But when you put your hand underwater, it's really warm. Like somebody just peed. But it's a salt water. So this is 80% salt water, 20% fresh water. It's reverse of Kayangan Lake, which is 80% fresh and 20% salt. Now you know. If you know, you know. Beautiful place to be. And it's raining, so I'm getting wet. I didn't bring an umbrella. That's dad jokes for you. Even in the Philippines, dad jokes. Here you go, Troy's coming. Troy's coming. Troy did a record today. 30 meters, 20 meters of free dive. A Montano family world record. Troy's the only one who have done it.